watching this video from beginning to end, you will never use ChatGPT again. I mean, you will never use ChatGPT again without getting paid to use it. Yes, because in today's video, I'm bringing you a brand new update. A new app that literally pays you to chat with ChatGPT and many other popular AI chatbots like Grok AI, Gemini, and more. Just the way you normally do. The best part is you get to use the pro versions of these chatbots for free while getting paid to chat with them. All you have to do is chat, choose the response you prefer, and get paid. So you're just basically testing and comparing these chatbots to get paid. It's as simple as that. Now, before we dive into the registration process, just wait. I need to mention a few things. This app has some rules that must be followed carefully if you know you don't want to have issues with your withdrawals. Or you don't have to worry. I took my time to test and study this app before bringing it to you guys. And you know how we roll. If it's not legit, I'm not posting it. So right now I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, and I would like you to pay close attention and follow along. Smash the like button if you're already enjoying this video, and let's get started. Alright, so as always, there will be a referral link which I'll provide for you guys in the comment section and the description of this video. The first always pinned comment at the top is where you will see the referral link. Now I've gotten the referral link and I'm going to paste it here on my browser. As you can see, I'm using Brave browser, so it's going to redirect me directly to the AI app that pays you to chat. Okay, all right, so now we're going to click on sign in with Google. It's asking us to choose the email address we want to use to sign in. So pick your email address. Continue, click on continue to accept the terms and condition. It just wants to access your email address since we are signing in with our email address. Voila, we have just completed our registration process. It's as easy as that. So now this part is very important, guys, so pay attention. After you have used the referral link to register and then you've been brought to this place, do not skip this place. If you skip this part, you lose your chance of getting your referral bonus for using the referral link. Yes, you'll be given a referral bonus of $5, which you must not skip. So once you've signed in and you've gotten to this part, this is what you're going to do. It says, hey Hawulola, this is my name. You know, you're going to see your own name there, definitely. So write your first prompt. You're going to write your first prompt here, send to them, and complete the necessary process that comes after that to receive your first $5. And if you don't do this, it's going to affect your chances of withdrawal. That is why at the beginning of this video I told you all to pay attention and follow me accordingly. Okay, so now what is a prompt? A prompt is just like a write-up you tell your AI, you know, just the way you chat with ChatGPT. It's like an instruction you give to it, you understand me, to provide you answers. So that's what you are going to type here. So now, just the way you do it on ChatGPT and any other chat bot, just ask it a question. You can ask it any question at all. Go ahead and type. Let's say, okay, who is Jessica Tulupe on YouTube? So once you've then typed in your first prompt, anything at all, click on send prompt. So it says just a sec, we are choosing the best AIs for your prompt. So now they're going to give you responses from different AI models. You could see ChatGPT, you could see Gemini, you could see those you could see another AI bots that you may not be familiar with. All right, so now we've gotten our response, okay, and we have on our screen two responses. The first one says Jessica Tolulope is a Nigerian-born content creator who has built a modest but steadily growing presence on YouTube. A channel simply titled Jessica Tolulope is best described as a lifestyle and beauty hub where she shares blah blah blah. You can see what they are saying there, right? Now that's the first response from what we have. Okay, I think this first response is from GPT, ChatGPT. If you look at it closely, then we have another second response to our right. Quen3 blah 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 blah. He says, as of now, see, pay attention, oh, don't skip this part, because you see I'm reading this, you don't know what I'm trying to say or do. So he says, as of now, there is no widely known or verified YouTube personality named Jessica Tolulope in major public database, media outlets, or YouTube's popular creators directories. Are you whining me? Hey, hey. My goodness. He said it's possible that Jessica Tolulope is a private or emerging content creator with a smaller audience need, blah blah blah. Okay, Quen3, which is an AI model, has given us its own response, and the first one, ChatGPT, has given us its own response. So now I think this particular one is giving like an old response, because you know me, my YouTube channel is actually centered around make money online, so it's probably giving me my old niche, because this was my first niche. Looking at the two responses, this first one that ChatGPT gave us is closely, almost close to the answer. All right. While the second one did not answer me. So now you can now make your decision. Would you choose to? You can go through it to the end. All right. Would you choose to go for this one, the first one, or you choose to go for the second one, depending on if it, attends to your question. For me, I will choose the first one because it attends to my question somehow, even though it didn't go straight to the point, but at least it knows that, yes, it shows that, yes, I'm a content creator. You understand? Second one did not even answer me, and it's actually short. So it depends on your preferences. So for me, I prefer the first one. So I'll click I prefer this. Are you seeing that? Now they're asking, I don't know if this is on mobile side. Maybe I should put it on mobile site, like it's on desktop site, so I will know you people are seeing this. Okay, since I'm using a phone to screen record this, I've already chosen that I prefer the first one. I prefer this. Let's click on it again, and it's asking, why was this response better? You are going to answer this. All right, see, this particular part is the first important step you have to complete. I'm saying it now because I know a lot of you would like to skip videos because you feel it's so long, you just want to go ahead with earning. But mind you, for those that work with me and then they listen to my instructions, they've never for once had any issues with my updates or whatever I tell them to do. All right, now why was this response better? Or yeah, why was this response better rather? I'll click on target. Was it, do I like its style? Was it on target? Was it insightful? Well, this depends on you. You can decide to go for all, you can decide to go for just one. If you look below, we have a column here telling you to write more. Do you want to add more feedback to whatever you've chosen here? You can choose to add and you can choose not to add. Response the best. I don't think this is compulsory, but me, I like to respond. I had to add like additional feedback. All right, so now once you're done, click on send feedback. So are you seeing that? I've clicked on send feedback. Now we have a scratch card here below. You're going to scratch the card. Are you seeing that? You just won 5,000 Yup credits. So this credits is automatically credited into your balance, and you must not skip this. So you have to get your sign in bonus after using the referral link. I hope that is clear. Now what you've just done here is also like a tutorial to show you how you're going to continue earning on this site. That's why I'm telling you, that's why I told you it's important, so you don't miss your referral bonus or reward, and you also don't miss the tutorial, so you know how to earn. Now we are done with this part. Let's click on take me to home page. Please, at this point, if you have a question, put it down. Okay, so now complete your profile. What is your country? You choose your country, just click on it and then choose your country, wherever country you're resided in. But there's something I'm going to say. There's one important thing I'm going to mention at the end of this video, so stay tuned to the end before you start on this app. Yes, before you even start registering, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so now I'm going to choose. Okay, I already have my country, United Kingdom. What about the age? Choose your age bracket. I'll choose the second one. Okay, what about your education level? um I'll choose bachelor's degree. And occupation, I'll just choose, yeah. All right. So right now we are done with filling our profile, which is the next step. All right, so now let's click on get started. Mind you, you can see that the get started button is not glowing, meaning you can't click on it now. If you try clicking on it, it will not work. Just in case you see something like this, because I know some of you will start telling me in the comment section that the get started button is not working. Make sure you scroll up to the end. Are you seeing what I just did? Once you scroll down, the button doesn't glow anymore. Once you scroll up, the button glows, meaning you can then click on it. So click on get started now. Right, so guys, we are done with that, and the next step is to start earning. Yes, now just the way you chat with ChatGPT, you ask it various questions, that you are curious about, that you need answers to. Whenever you want to do your homework, you come to ChatGPT for assistance. Whenever you want to do some planning, some outlining, you all come to ChatGPT for that, right? So now that's what you're going to be doing on this particular app. And then the difference here is that you get paid while doing it. Is that not amazing? So anything you choose to ask it is definitely going to give you an answer. And all you basically have to do is to choose the answer that best, you know, attends to your questions or your doubts. And if it doesn't answer, just choose the one that is closest to it rather, and then scratch your card to earn. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's ask it a question. All right, so as you can see, I've pasted a prompt here, which is like more or less like a question, and then I'm going to go ahead to ask it. I asked what survey sites are currently paying, and I'm waiting for a response. Okay, it's loading. As you can see, we've been given responses from two different models. All right, the first one is GPT 4 point something something. So now, after going through this first AI bot, you have to go through the second one by clicking on this arrow by the right before you can even choose the one you prefer. Are you with me? So you go through this as well. Make sure you go through it, and anyone that you like, the one that you prefer, you choose it. As for me, I'm going for ChatGPT. The first one, I'll click I prefer this. Now, why was GPT 4.0 search better? As usual, remember what you did at the beginning. It was on target, it was informative, style, I like it, accurate. You don't have to choose all the buttons anyways, but this is just me. You can decide to go according to what you like. And why was Gemini 3 Flash preview thinking online not as good? Well, you can say incomplete, boring, it all depends on you. And here, where it says write more, you can decide to write anything there, or you can decide to just click on send feedback and go ahead to receive your reward for this chat. Remember to scratch, just rub on your screen to scratch. If you're asking how do I scratch, just rub on your screen, rub on that place to scratch. Do you see I was just rewarded for this particular one? And that's how you're going to do it on and on and on and on like that. You can ask a follow-up question, you can ask a new question, you can even generate images here. Yes, I've once generated images with them, but wait, this is exactly how you earn chatting with ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok AI, many other AI chatbot models on this new app called Yup.ai. You can locate the dashboard on this app via two ways. The first one is by clicking the three horizontal lines by the top left corner of your screen, and then here you can see the chats you had that particular day. You can also see your profile. You can see where to know more about the app. You can join their Discord community. The leaderboard is here, and you can get your referral link here. And if you choose to chat afresh, you just click on chat, and you can also get this same dashboard including your balance another way, which is by clicking on the right, I think the picture by your right that shows your profile with your initial, okay, at the top right corner of your screen, and it's going to bring you to your dashboard, this time showing you your balance, your credit balance, okay, and I think also the cash out button. All right, so you just click on the picture and voila, this is what you're going to see. You can see my name above. You can also see my balance underneath my name, This is also where you will see the cash out button for your withdrawal when you've gotten to the requirement for withdrawal. Now, this leads me to the important things I need to let you guys know about this platform called Yup.ai. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this app has some rules, and that is what I want us to discuss now very briefly. So I know you see something like cash out is disabled, right? And you may be wondering, why is it saying cash out is disabled? Why am I unable to cash out? Is this app not legit? Is it fake? What do I need to do in order for me to cash out? Okay, so now Yup.ai has some certain requirements you have to meet in order for you to be allowed to cash out your rewards. Before they can enable cash out for you on this app, you have to work on this app for 1 week. Yes, and not just that, you also have to meet a minimum balance of 10,000 credits, your credits, before your cash out button is enabled for you. This is my account of how many weeks now, and as you can see, the cash out button has been enabled for me. All right, you can see if I want to go ahead to withdraw my money, I can go ahead with my withdrawal. Okay, so that's one. Now for the referral code, I think it's actually the same thing. As you can see, this is my account and I am allowed to refer. Can you see? I can copy my referral link. This is because I was able to meet their requirements. They want to test how well you use their platform. They don't want you to just come to their app and then be lazy about it and expect cash out when you've met the minimum withdrawal amount without working on the site. So they did this to favor both their users and them as well. So that's the reason why you see that your cash out button is not enabled for you immediately after you register. If you're a new user on this app, the cash out button will not be enabled for you until after 1 week of consistent usage. You don't necessarily have to use the platform every day. You get, it's your responses that will be used to judge if you qualify for withdrawal or the cash out button. You get what I'm trying to say? So make sure you use the platform well, give responsible feedbacks concerning the AI models, and expect the cash out button to be enabled for you after 1 week. And like I said before, ensure you have a minimum balance of 10,000 Yup credits, or else it will not be activated for you. So that's basically it. Let's talk about withdrawals. When you are ready to cash out from this app, you come to your cash out button and click on cash out. Okay, click on got it, and then voila, now you can withdraw. Mind you, at the moment PayPal is not available on the Yup AI. I think it was disabled just a few days ago. I don't know why, but hopefully they're going to return it. So we have other cash out methods here. Just click on the currency to change it. We have British pounds currency here. We have USDC. For those of you who are familiar with cryptocurrency, you can withdraw through your cryptocurrency wallet. So you can withdraw through using USDC. You can also withdraw using Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, whatever method you wish to use. Okay, so those are the ones that are available for now. Once they've returned PayPal, I believe everyone is going to know. All right, this is for those who will be asking if a VPN is needed to register on this particular app. Please read through.
Alright guys, so that's everything for today's video. Now for those of you who would be asking about withdrawals, I'll be posting a full withdrawal video on my main channel, Jessica Tolulokpe. So make sure you go check it out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that particular video. So to my beautiful viewers, thank you so much for watching. This is Smart Hustles with Jessica, and I'm truly passionate about sharing real ways to make money online, from money making apps to side hustles, live streaming apps, and anything that helps turn small earnings into something bigger. So if you are interested in this type of content, just click the subscribe button. I promise you, it's totally free, and that way you get all my free content whenever I upload them. I'll see you in the next new update video. Make sure you don't miss it though.